Ever wondered how a solar eclipse happens? It's a bit like a cosmic ballet, with the sun, moon, and earth performing a synchronized dance across the sky. Now I know what you're thinking. Dance? I've seen ballet and nobody was on fire or 1,000 miles wide. Well, you're right there, but let's think about it in a more down-to-earth way. Imagine you're at a concert and the lead singer, that's our sun by the way, is belting out a number. Then suddenly some fan, we'll call him Moon, decides to crowd surf his way to the front, blocking your view. That, my friends, is a solar eclipse in a nutshell. The moon, in its fanboy enthusiasm, blocks the sun's light, casting a shadow on Earth, and just like that, day turns into night, birds stop chirping, and for a few magical moments we get to marvel at the universe's grand show. So think of a solar eclipse as the universe's way of saying, hey, let's play hide and seek, but with a flaming ball of gas and a giant rock. Now you might ask, what's so special about the 2024 solar eclipse? Well, grab your popcorn because this isn't your average cosmic hide and seek. Here's the thing, this spectacle is set to sashay its way across not one, not two, but 3 countries. That's right, the path of totality, or the shadow highway if you will be streaking across Mexico, the United States, and Canada. It's like a cosmic road trip. Now I know what you're thinking, oh, another solar eclipse, big deal. But hold on to your telescopes, because this is no ordinary eclipse. This celestial shindig is the second in the season, following a penumbral lunar eclipse that happened in March. It's like a 2-for-1 deal in the cosmic supermarket. What's more impressive is the wide visibility of this event. It's not just a private party for North America, no, even Europe, parts of North and South America, and let's not forget, the Pacific, Atlantic, and Arctic get an invitation. That's right, even the Arctic. Penguins in tuxedos watching an eclipse, now there's a thought. The accuracy of these predictions is pretty high, almost as high as the excitement building up for this event. And if you miss it, well, Hermiston's got another show lined up for you in August 2026. But let's be honest, who wants to wait that long? So whether you're sunbathing in Mexico or ice fishing in Canada, you're in for a stellar show in 2024. But how does this shadowy spectacle actually occur? Time to put on your lab coats and nerd glasses, folks. Imagine you're at a dance party. The sun, that's the disco ball, high and radiant. The moon, she's the belle of the ball, and Earth, well, that's us, trying to catch a glimpse of the moon. Now, every so often, the moon, in her celestial waltz around the Earth, steps directly between us and the sun. This fancy footwork leads to what we call a solar eclipse. Now, not every dance move is the same. There are different types of solar eclipses, mainly partial, annular, and total. During a partial eclipse, the moon only partially covers the sun. It's like when someone tall stands in front of you at a concert. In an annular eclipse, the moon is further away from Earth and appears smaller, so when she steps in front of the sun, there's a bright ring left visible, kind of like a cosmic donut. But the showstopper, the standing ovation moment, that's the total solar eclipse. This is when the moon completely blocks the sun, and for a few magical moments, day turns into night. The stars come out, the temperature drops, and we Earthlings get to see the sun's glorious corona. Now, the 2024 solar eclipse, that's going to be a total eclipse, so we're talking full blackout, folks. And that, folks, is how our celestial buddies put on a shadow puppet show for us Earthlings. Remember to mark your calendars for April 8th, 2024, because the universe is planning a spectacle you won't want to miss.